Okay, I'm not sure if you can see what's all along the forest floor right now, but it is not chanterelle season, but look at how many have came up all along the forest floor. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to forage a bunch of these chanterelles, and we're gonna make dinner with them tonight, okay? There are just so many, and of course we want the mycelium to come back year after year. So in order to do that, we cannot rip these out. The best way to do it is to just cut at the base, like so. Oops. And that way you leave that at the bottom so they always come back. You will find chanterelles after a long period of rain when it is humid, hot outside, and there's a bunch of leaf litter. You'll typically find them at the base of different oak, ash trees. A bunch of these are hickories as well, but you mainly find chanterelles in leaf litter. So as you can see, I mean, I'm just walking in a forest full of chanterelles right now. It is absolutely breathtaking. They go all the way back there, and I'm not going to take all of them, but let's go ahead and forage. This variety of chanterelle is called smooth chanterelle because it has smooth, rounded edges. Here's an example of why you don't want, this is poison ivy, by the way, unless it's Virginia creeper, but I'm pretty sure it's poison ivy. But this is an example of why you don't want to rip anything out. Here's the whole mycelium network. I'm sorry, mycelial network underneath of all of this leaf litter that, I mean, is going to allow these chanterelles to keep coming back and back. So, just gonna put that back.